Hello there, gaming enthusiasts and keyboard aficionados. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your one-stop destination for all things tech-related. Today, we've got something truly unique and exciting to discuss, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 gaming keyboard. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard that combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality, you're in for a treat. Stick around for the next 5 minutes as we dive into this typewriter-style mechanical wonder. Let's kick things off by talking about the design of the RK Royal KLUDGE S108. This keyboard takes inspiration from classic typewriters, featuring round keycaps that evoke a nostalgic, steampunk vibe. But it's not just about looks. This keyboard packs a punch with mechanical blue switches. These switches provide that satisfying tactile feedback, an audible click sound, and medium resistance, making it perfect for both gaming and typing enthusiasts. What sets the S108 apart is its ergonomic design, including a detachable ABS palm rest. This wrist rest offers firm support, alleviating wrist pressure during intense gaming sessions. It's all about keeping you comfortable, especially when you're gaming at an elevated angle for extended periods. Here's where things get even more exciting. The S108 features true RGB backlit illumination with a staggering 168 LED backlit modes and 7 color sidelights. You can truly make this keyboard your own by customizing the backlight to your heart's content. Adjust the brightness, speed, and even create your custom backlight effects. And, with the FN+ pause shortcut, changing the global backlight color is a breeze. But that's not all. Durability and performance go hand in hand with this keyboard. The panel is crafted from top-grade aluminum alloy material, giving it a sturdy and robust feel while protecting it from scratches. Plus, it boasts 108 keys with full anti-ghosting, ensuring that every keystroke is registered, even during intense gaming sessions. Whether you're a Windows, Linux, or Mac OS user, the S108 has you covered with its plug-and-play compatibility. No drivers or software required, just plug it in and start gaming. And if blue switches aren't your cup of tea, fear not. The S108 also comes with medium brown and quiet red switch options, allowing you to choose the one that suits your typing and gaming style best. In conclusion, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 gaming keyboard is a perfect fusion of retro typewriter aesthetics and modern gaming keyboard functionality. With its mechanical blue switches, ergonomic design, true RGB backlit illumination, and robust build quality, it's a versatile and stylish addition to any gamer or typist setup. That wraps up our review of the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 gaming keyboard. If you found this video informative and exciting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech insights. Have any questions or experiences with this keyboard? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video, where we explore even more exciting tech innovations.